guys, so today was meant to be me fitting the splitter kit, but it is absolutely belting down, and I want more screws and things for the kit because it comes with quite a lot, but I want bigger ones because I don't want the thing falling off. I'm going to do the job properly. I was going to rush it and do it today, but yeah, the weather's bad and I'm going out later, so I've decided to fit the splitter kit next week. So I am just going to show you what's come in the kit because it has finally arrived. And yeah, so it's a KRB styling kit, I think it's called. It comes with front splitter, side splitters and rear, so you get everything in the pack, and it's only 189 quid. Now, I was looking at Maxton Design, but to be honest, it was like £200 nearly just for the front one, and it's just the same. It's just different style, and I've seen a few on pictures of cars and that, and they look pretty identical. So I'm just going to show you them now. These ones are pretty decent. They come with the holes already drilled in, which you don't normally get. Like the Maxton ones, you'll have to drill the holes and things. So yeah, I'll show you what's in the kit now. All right, so on the front here we got the front splitter. It's got the lip on the bump on the front there. So obviously them bits there is where we're going to be attaching to the car, and then you'll have the two gaps. So that'll make it look pretty bit lower as well. If you can see here, it has got film on it, so it's not scratched or anything. It's got like a plastic film on it. So they come with the holes already drilled in, and that's with all of them as well. So that is pretty handy to help you locate where you want to drill them in or self-tap. So I will be self-tapping the backs and the sides, and then the front comes with nuts and bolts there, which I'm gonna nut and bolt the front one because obviously that's the bit that gets the wind the most, and I don't fancy doing 70 mile an hour and that thing comes fucking flying off my car, because you saw the damage that this wind deflector did, and imagine that thing flying off. So these are the side ones. Got a nice little lip to them, so I thought obviously these are just to make the car look a bit more sporty and just a bit lower in things. So yeah, that's a kit. I did want the whole rear splitter, but for the money, these two go on the side, and they look pretty decent. Obviously, there is one that goes across. It has little fins. That's the Maxton one, but again, that's like nearly 200 quid for that as well. So it's altogether going to be paying nearly 600 quid. Is it? Yeah, it's about 600 quid for Maxton splitter kit. So I am not fucking paying that because it's ridiculous. So the rear and the side splitters come with this little kit here. Self-tappers they are. There's quite a few in there, but obviously I want bigger ones than them. They're not fat enough, to be honest. They're like, they probably do the job. Obviously they've been fitted with a kit, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So what I'm going to do is, obviously I'm going to have to leave it this week because of the weather, and I'm going out, and I'm fucking tired. I went out last night again, pissed, and I'm tired as fuck. So as soon as I get back, I'm in work for a week. I'll be back, 2 weeks off. I'm going to get this on, and I'll record me putting it on, because it's probably going to be a laugh for you boys and girls. And then I'm hoping by the end of next week my exhaust is in the shop. It fucking best be, because I've been waiting. It's going to be a month and a half by the time the shop it comes in. But as soon as we got the splitter kit on, I'll be heading down to Demon Tweaks to get the exhaust system done. So just to recap on what's happening there, that's secondary cat's coming off, so it's going to be decatted on the secondary cat, and the rest of the system, it's all Cobra. Back box is going, so it's going to be straight pipe on the back, and I've just got one resonator in the middle. That is hopefully going to sound a bit louder. It should do without the back box, I'm guessing. And maybe a little bit of a pop because I'm taking one of the cats away. Obviously, I could decat the whole system, but I don't want to. I'm going to go for a sports cat, I think, because I want to pass the MOT. I can't be arsed dodgying Nobody does dodgying, nobody does dodgying. But that's it. So obviously I wanted to fit it today, but I'm sorry I can't. This is just to keep you posted that the fucking splitter kit's actually here, and I will be fitting it next week. So there's going to be no videos up until next week, but I'm going to try and get quite a few out during my 2 weeks off, because I won't have much to do. So obviously I'm going to get this. I'm probably going to order the Max and Design spoiler extension once I fitted this, because once these are all on, I'm just going to want to finish the kit, and then we'll just go from there. And then I think it's going to be bonnet vents then, so I'll be getting in touch with Nick Wiley, because he is the man for the job apparently. I've looked at his price range and things like that, and it's pretty good, good prices. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give him a bell and get myself booked in, but that probably won't be till September, because I got a tattoo as well, so I got to pay for that, and I don't want to be spending all my fucking money, because I need to save for other things too. Right, so I'm going to leave it there, because obviously there's nothing else I can do in this video. Just literally an update to tell you the splitter kit's here, as I said, and I hope you enjoy the videos. I know I haven't been posting as much recently because I've literally had nothing to post. Like, obviously if I haven't got parts, I can't fucking do anything for you boys and girls, can I? There is a car I'm meant to be doing a review on, one of my mates' Benz, but it was broke, and he fixed it, and then I've come back and now something's happened with his brakes there. It's broken. Basically it's broke again. So fingers crossed, while I'm off for 2 weeks, he has that car fixed, and then I'll be going out with him to do a review on that. It's about 350 brakes, something around there. So it'd be nice to see the difference in power just between mine and his. It's not much more power, but obviously you can feel the difference, even just a little bit of horsepower and the torque mainly. And I do have a review coming up on a Fiesta. I think it's a Mark, I don't even know, Mark 7 or Mark 8 is one of them. Basically my mate's got one where I work. I asked him, can I do a review on it? So he said yeah, but again with COVID, he's been off for weeks and weeks, and we've just been trying to get it organised. So as soon as he's back and I'm back, might even be September, because obviously I'm on quite a bit of leave this month. Yeah, we'll get it on the channel. Be something different, because I don't just want my Astra on the channel, because obviously not everybody likes Astras, and I need to draw more audience, which means I'm gonna have to do different cars. So that's what I'm gonna have to do. I've never done a review, so I'm not sure if the video will be very good, but I'll just take my time and see how it goes from there. But yeah, just thank you for all the support. Still getting subscribers and things, even though I'm not posting very much at the minute, and it means a lot to me. Almost on 200, so just please help me reach that 200. That would be great. I am thinking about doing a giveaway. I've got some wind deflectors for a Corsa VXR. Might do a giveaway on them. I'll do a giveaway video once I reach 200 subscribers. And wind deflectors is as much, but you know, it saves people 30 quid, doesn't it? Because I think that's how much they are. So if I can give them away to somebody for just supporting the channel, then I'd be happy to do that, because they just sit in my room doing nothing. So yeah, just smash that like button, subscribe button, hit the bell so you are notified when I post, that is. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and peace out.